Hey, it's Doug Katz here with another Mortgage Minute, and today I want to talk about the top 3 reasons to talk to a mortgage banker early on in the process. I know a lot of people procrastinate. It's human nature, and I'm talking to more and more people every day who have not necessarily prioritized, and as a result, they either really fall down the process and now they want to buy a home and they're finding all sorts of crazy stuff, or they don't want to engage. It's also very, very common for people to not want their credit pulled for some reason or another, or they just feel that they're not ready. So here's the top 3 reasons to talk to a mortgage banker early on in the process. And the first is getting a clear picture of your financial situation from the perspective of a lender. Now, if you think about it, you know what you make, you know what you take home, but it might be different than what's on your tax returns. And a lot of times what's on your tax returns is what the lender is going to look at. So knowing that early on helps you understand what you can afford. Also, from a credit perspective, there's many times that people have a good credit score, but they don't realize that the difference between a great program and great pricing and an even better program and better pricing may be 2 FICO points, right? I've had people who literally are 2 to 5 points away from the best program out there, or they're a couple steps away from the best pricing. You also might find out that something in your past has impacted your credit score more than you thought, and as a result, not having time to fix it could mean that you're shut out of the best programs. So it's not always pass-fail. Sometimes it's good and better, and you want to take advantage of better. Now, the second reason is knowing what you can afford. The housing market, almost everywhere I know, has a lot of different housing within it. There's different areas, there's different price points, there's different amenities. And knowing what you can afford and what your purchasing power is and what you're comfortable with gives you the ability to really spend that time shopping for the right property. It really, really sucks to spend a lot of time shopping for a property, finding the one that you love, then talking to a lender, finding out you can't afford it. Or it really sucks spending a lot of time looking at properties you can't afford and missing out on the ones that are right dead set in your price range, and maybe missing out on seeing them or missing out on bidding. So definitely talking to a banker early on helps you know what you can afford. And the third, and maybe most important, is the best realtors actually won't speak to you, or they might speak to you, but they're not going to take you out unless you're pre-approved. All the realtors that I work with, the first question they've got when I bring them a client is, have you pre-approved them? Have you looked at their credit? Have you looked at their documentation? And when they send someone to me, the guidance is usually get that good pre-approval so that I know what I'm working with, so that I can make my client happy. It's not all about dollars and cents for them. Many times it's about keeping their clients happy and making sure that they're well taken care of. So as always, if you're looking to buy or refinance, give me a call early in the process. And if you know anybody looking, friends, colleagues, and family, send them my direction as well. I would love to help them out. Thanks very much and have a fantastic weekend.